What is good? Listen, we are back in London and today we're doing something I'm personally pretty excited about because we're going to my very first sneaker event. Honestly, I didn't even know that they did them here in the UK, but apparently they do. So it's called Crepe City and it's actually pretty big. They do it in like multiple locations, but obviously this is the London one. I'm sure some of you guys are well aware, and in fact I may see some of you guys there, which would be pretty cool. Gotta get dressed, get ready, we're gonna hit up Starbucks or something. And then we're gonna hit up the event. We're gonna see what it's like, what kind of stuff they got there. One of the main issues right now is the fact that obviously it's a Sunday and I gotta get the Sunday video out to you guys, and the hotel Wi-Fi is trash. Started this upload at like 7 a.m. and it's only 33%. So that's kind of like the main reason why I gotta stop at a Starbucks, because I need this video to go out today. As we're getting ready, I thought I'd show you guys what I'm gonna be chucking on for Crepe City event. So let's start with the shoes. And honestly, I'm a little bit undecided on what exactly or which pair I want to wear. I brought two pairs that I think are gonna go perfect with this outfit. I got the Jordan 4 White Oreo, and I'm thinking like, I really want to wear these. But at the same time, they're not that comfortable. Now, my other option, which I think is more comfortable, but I'm not entirely sure about, is the Sakai Vapor Waffle. This is the sale colorway. So, I'm going to put the outfit on, and we're going to see which one goes better. And I'm going to be wearing this Represent Carpenter pant, just all over black, nice. And then, final piece, one of my favorite recent pickups is this Represent Varsity jacket. I know it's a little bit warmer outside, which I am a little bit worried about, but I gotta wear this. It looks so sick. I don't know what to do about this video, so it's still at 39%. I'm either cancelling it, the upload, and redoing it to see if that, like, it's not moving. Huh? Don't worry. So we're gonna head round. We're gonna head round this way. Here's a good place to kind of get a top-down view of the place. It is so packed. The only way we can find out like what sneakers we want is by looking down. So take a look at the whole sea of places. Haven't covered much ground. We're still gonna make our way around the tables. We're gonna see if there is anything out there. Who knows? But from the top down look, it's looking medium. I saw a pair of Jordan 2s that haven't released yet or haven't shipped yet, so I might have a look at those. But other than that, we're gonna have to take a look and see what we can find. Right, so essentially I didn't realize this place was going to be as packed as it is. Now I don't even know if you can hear me, but essentially when we're moving around the different stalls, it's just like a huddle of people towards like these sneaker places. So I don't know how much we're going to be able to get out of this place. I thought it was going to be a little bit more spread out where we could actually like have a deal, like speaking to someone, whoever owns the sneaker stall. So we're gonna try and just move around, do the best that we can. I don't know how long we're gonna spend here because it is hot, it is packed. So let's just see what we can do. Right, so we just left the sneaker event, and honestly, it wasn't really what I thought it was going to be. I mean, it kind of was. It was obviously a sneaker event, but it was super packed and it was hot as hell in there. I'm wearing this jacket and I'm sweating. I was kind of hoping that there would be some like early sneakers there. Didn't manage to find any deals either. That doesn't normally happen when you're at a sneaker event. They're normally, if anything, upcharging. But yeah, so no steals, no early sneakers. It was packed, but it was cool to go. I mean, first sneaker event, why not? It was pretty good. Right, we're gonna try out Amazon Fresh. Apparently you just walk in and walk out, and they just charge your account. They just know exactly what you got. Can we do it both on just one? Can like both of us come in on one code? Just scan twice.
Scan it here and pass on the phone and you get this.
Cool. Right, so we're gonna test this out. Kieran's getting a meal deal. I wanted a Monster, but they don't have one, so I'm big mad. Right, so wait, show me what you're getting. Show me what you're getting. Yeah. Right, so you got a meal deal.
Some fried chicken wrap.
What is this supposed to be?
Diet Coke.
£3.
£3 and it's £1 for the side and the drink. This is 4.
Can we get out through here? That's it? Right, we need to verify this. Hold up. So that means they must have cameras tracking everybody's face. My card hasn't been charged. My Amazon account hasn't been charged. Maybe I'll update later if it comes through. And we're back. We're back in the studio. I got finished unpacking. I'm all settled in. So honestly, the event, well, it was my first event, and I guess it was a little bit different to what I was expecting. I don't really know what I was expecting, to be honest. Maybe just a little bit less packed and a little bit less kind of, you know, compacted in, I guess. Like, it was super hard to film in there. Like, we're literally shoulder to shoulder with people, not to mention the fact that the music was up so loud that most of it would have got copyrighted, or you just couldn't hear a damn word I was saying. But it was definitely worth the experience. I actually didn't end up getting anything either, which was pretty annoying. I almost pulled the trigger on a couple things. Like, I saw the Supreme Flight 95s. Those had literally just dropped. I was thinking like, hey, should I pick up that black pair because it was pretty cool, and hey, maybe I could do like some kind of video for the channel, but they just wanted a bit too much for those, so I decided to pass. And then I saw these Sacai LD waffles, and I was like, yo, is this my time? Because I've been wanting that pair of shoes for a while, but they just didn't have my specific size, so I decided to pass on those. There wasn't anything that I thought was a steal and I should pick up. Yeah, huge shout out to you guys who said what's up. That was awesome meeting you guys. It was just, yeah, overall decent experience. Not exactly what I expected, not the best for content, but overall really happy I went. I don't know if you want to see more sneaker event content on the channel. You guys are gonna have to drop it down in the comments. But that pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another one. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.